Hey guys, before we get into the video, no one else on YouTube is doing a build like this or has done a build like this in the past. Welcome back to the channel, guys, and today we're going to start working on the 2013 Jeep Wrangler that I bought a while back from Lakeland. And right now I'm at the paint guys and we're about to go pick up some of the stuff that got painted. I got a lot to show you guys back at the shop on what's going on with this build. This is part one. It's just gonna be a full Jeep build. Pretty much a build from like absolutely nothing. Like we're building a full vehicle. So let's see what he got done here, and we're gonna load it up inside the truck and then we'll get back to the shop. All right, well, stuff isn't quite done yet. Some of the, like, I guess when you're painting over top of the powder coat and you're etching it up, it sometimes just doesn't lay right on it, and you don't want to really bring those metal parts like the XRC fenders and like the grumper and steel rear bumper down to bare metal, because then you deal with rusting issues I've seen in the past with it. So you want to leave the texture there and just kind of etch it up a little bit, and then you kind of have to spray it once and then etch it again and then spray it twice. So kind of sucks I can't show you guys that, but we do have some stuff back at the shop that we're gonna start working on. So I'll catch y'all there. We're back at the shop and we're gonna be working outside today. I waited till it's about 5 o'clock for the temperature to cool down a little bit. Even though it is September in Florida, it still gets like 90 degrees out here in the middle of the day. So I have my tub right here. This is the tub that was damaged from the Jeep. And you can see in this section where the damage was, this was all pushed in. And this is the new tub that I just got back from paint, and it looks pretty dang minty. As you see, you know, we color matched it same white. What we have to do is pull all of the little things like our windshield wiper, motor, these mounts, our shifter, this wiring harness, seat belts, the rear gate, all this little plastic stuff off of this tub and onto that tub. We're gonna take it inside, lift it off, and put it on the floor. Now I'm gonna mount like all the doors, pretty much mount everything to this body that I have right now, and then wait, because I can't put it on the frame because I don't have my frame in from the dealership yet, because this frame has a little bit of a bent coil bucket, so I ordered a brand new frame. But the frames for the JKUs are on back order right now, so this is what we gotta deal with. This is part one of our 500 horsepower Jeep build. First things first, I need to get my tool cart out here. Got my little rolling cart right here, and the first thing I'm gonna take off is gonna be this rear gate. All right, we're making some good progress here. I got the rear gate on. I need to loosen up those and then line up the brackets for where like it latches on. And you can see right here, I got the whole harness in. And now what I got to do is I want to put these on, but I didn't realize I have a T50. I have to put the seat belt, the rear seat belts in, because I can't access that bolt if these are in place. So I'm going to remove the rear seat belts out of the old tub, put them inside of this. And sorry for filming late at night, but I've been trying to get out more videos. go hit that thumbs up button. I greatly appreciate it. Helps my videos get recommended to a broader audience. Let's get back to this. Both the seat belts in. I got this rear gate right here all lined up. Closing all good. I also got the top parts right here. These in place are gaskets for the doors and this little control module right there. Now what I got to do is I got to put our latches on. I'm just going to be leaving these loose because you have to adjust it when you put the doors on. Our hinges, same thing, gonna be leaving those loose. And then I also have these little hook things, which are for the fabric on your door that keep the door from swinging all the way open and giving yourself a little dimple right here and messing it up. Also, I got the horn in place, and then I got my windshield wiper motors, that motor that I have to mount up in here. It's just two 10mm. So let's get that done. There is a couple little more things left on this tub, but that's gonna be me wrapping it up for the night right now. Alright guys, so I moved a couple of mystery bikes, so I wonder what this is, or that. Well, you guys know what that is. They're gonna get rebuilt, and my idea is to put this in front first at an angle where I have enough room to walk all the way around and work on it, but then also be able to pull the Maserati out. So kind of have it parked like the Maserati, but shit, I'm out of breath from moving that thing. But put it like this right here, and then still have enough room so I can walk around the front. You see over here, we just got a whole bunch of Jeep parts. Like this whole corner right here is just Jeep parts. That whole corner over there is Jeep parts. All right, we got the neighbor over there. He's about to come over here with the forklift. And my idea is the same thing. We hook it up to that one strap right here in the center. We're gonna lift it up. I'm gonna walk the trailer out from underneath it. And then we're gonna set it down on the ground, probably on the same little box thing that Eric made, just so I have like room to put on all the cladding and like the body armor panels on it while it's like still on the floor. He should be over here in 1 second.
I don't know how good it is these days. So when you get this thing up in the air,
like tangible stuff, like real estate or not?
well, real estate, we own real estate around the curtain for life. I don't get it.
All right, we got the Jeep in here sitting on the little stand, and what we gotta do now is I wanna put the carpet in it, and also the dash. I got the dash all put back together right here. But before I can do that, I have to make sure I get all of the grounds. I got like this little Dremel right here, and I'm going to be pretty much getting off all the paint on the grounds. There's 6 grounds inside this tub. You got 2 right here, 2 over there, and then 1 right here, and then 1 right here. I already did this one. The grounds are all good, and right here we got ourselves some OEM Jeep JKU carpet. I would highly recommend against getting aftermarket stuff because it isn't thick like this, and it doesn't insulate very well, and then it slips all around the floor. I'd only recommend getting some nice new OEM carpet. Let's get this stuff inside the Jeep, and then we can get the dash on it. Almost forgot to put these drain plugs in. Got all the carpet inside the Jeep, and now the next thing to do is going to be putting this dash inside of the vehicle. I'm just going to show you guys where everything mounts up that actually holds the dash inside of it, because when I was watching videos on how to remove it, there was no one that showed exactly what you had to pull off. So you have 2 bolts right here on both sides, so you got 4 bolts up here at the top. Then you have 2 bolts down here at the bottom that are on like little brackets. Then there's 4 bolts that go into your brake booster right there. Also, you got these up here. These are 12 millimeters. These just kind of like clamp down on the top part. So I'd say there's 14 bolts that hold the whole dash on. This is gonna be a little tricky to get this thing inside of here. So I'm gonna slap y'all on the tripod. Hopefully this goes pretty smooth. So we're gonna end on the note of the dash getting installed, because I forgot to put this in. It's an insulation piece that goes on the back part. So I'm gonna have to pull this all back off and then put that in there. I'll do that off camera, but that's gonna be it for right now. Peace out, guys. Wait 1 sec.